Hi friends. So I and my husband visited Manali last week and it was nice. I would say that it is an amazing romantic destination for couples. And we enjoyed a lot and the weather was clear enough. There was no snowfall, but yes, there was snow. The temperature varied from -7 to 4 degree. As the weather was clear enough, we could complete all our activities and roam in Manali and also visit all the places which we listed. Nearest airport to Manali with feasible flight rates is Delhi, also Chandigarh. So from Delhi, it would be around 15 hours of journey to Manali, and from Chandigarh, it would be 8 hours. So you have two options here. So either you can take a Volvo bus or a car. Volvo bus would cost you around 1000 per person, but if you are in a group of 4 or 5, I would suggest you to take a car. So rates of car would be depending on the season as well as your bargaining skills, guys, which would approximately cost you around 15k for traveling to Manali and coming back to Delhi, which would cover your trip in Manali as well. So this is Mall Road, which is very famous and the center of Manali. I would suggest you to book a hotel very close to Mall Road, as most of your sightseeing on a day one is close by to Mall Road. So we stayed in Bodh International Hotel, which is just zero point 0.5 kilometers from Mall Road, and the hotel is one among the best hotels in Manali with clean rooms. And guys, I would suggest you to include your food in the package, as here the food is very good and it is a buffet and unlimited. So day one you can plan for local sightseeing, as you will be tired reaching Manali. You can take rest for first half of the day and then start your journey. And I would suggest you to hire a bike, which would cost you around 400 to 500 rupees per day, as the places are very close by. And you can start with Hidimba temple, which is 1 kilometer from Mall Road, and there is no entrance fees for the temple. Next, you can visit Clubhouse. If you want to stay indoors and still entertain yourself, then this is the best place for you. There are options for carom, table tennis, snooker, and video games. Also shopping, but I would suggest Mall Road is the best. You can enjoy even zipline in a Bias River, which is next to Clubhouse. Zipline would cost you around 500 per person, but I would say that zipline is fun in Solang and Rotang rather than here. You can even visit Vashishta temple, which has a hot water spring, and you can enjoy the hot water in the cool weather. There is separate section for men and women to take If you bath. Are with the kids, then you can plan for One Vihar, which is basically a park. So day 2 you can plan for Solang Valley if it's winter, then and in summer it would be Rotang Pass, and around 4 activities along with your dress would cost you around 4000 for couple. Rates again vary from season. And photography would cost you 10 to 15 rupees per picture for soft copy, and again it depends on your bargaining. So basically 4 activities would be skiing, tube ride, yak ride and zip line. So any activities apart from these would cost you additional. So day 3 you can head towards Kullu. And Kullu, there are no much places to visit, but you have activities like paragliding, river rafting and Manikaran temple to watch. So Dobi is a city on the way to Kullu, and it is the most popular destination for paragliding in Kullu and Manali. You can enjoy flying from 8,000 feet above the land, which would cost you around 2,500 to 3,000 per person. Again, the rates vary from season and your bargaining skills. Photography would cost you separately. It would be around 300 to 500 per video. The next activity would be river rafting, and the cost of the river rafting varies from short, medium and long ride. And it is extremely safer to do all these activities as you have a trained pilot with you. And as per my experience, river rafting is not that great in Manali, as the water level is too low, especially in winters. Next is Manikaran temple, which is a Gurudwar and also Shiv temple. Also, you get to see Parvati river flowing beside. And lastly, do not miss to have a tasty prasad which is cooked in this hot water spring. So talking about food and shopping, you get to have all North Indian, South Indian, Chinese and all kind of chats in Manali. So food would not be a problem. And one special local food you need to try is Siddu, served with two kinds of chutneys, which is rarely available in Manali, but you get to have this in Mall Road. Manali is famous for winter outfits, and you get to have multiple options for jackets and shawl with different colors and different designs. Reasonable rates. Shawls would cost you around 150 to 300 per piece. So this is the one which I got, which costed me around 500 rupees, and this is made of yak wool. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope it would be helpful for your planning the trip to Manali. And any clarifications regarding the activities and hotel booking, you can write it down in the comment section. I would be grateful to help on the same.